Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm gonna do a vlog. I got a bunch of stuff from Amazon and a couple things from TJ Maxx, but it's basically just like necessities and home decor. My hair looks really bad right now, so I'm attempting to hide it with this hood. Right now I'm having some breakfast. I am having some avocado toast and coffee, of course. So avocado toast with homemade pico de gallo, and then some with olives and feta cheese and the necessary seasonings, salt, pepper, red pepper flakes. But anyways, it's gonna be a pretty chill day. I'm just gonna stay home and get some stuff done. I have a lot of laundry I need to do, so I'm gonna do that and clean up a bit. Okay, so here's all the stuff I got from Amazon and TJ Maxx. It's not that much, but I need to set up all my decor. Then I got some stuff from Sephora and some stuff from Ulta. I need to do a haul soon. So I'm just gonna quickly start putting away all my laundry, and then I want to open up my packages and put out all my new decor. So I literally just make a pile of stuff that I hang up, and the rest is gonna be like pajamas or just my loungewear clothes, and I'll put them in my dresser. And while I put all my clothes away, I literally always listen to some kind of true crime video. Kendall Rae is one of my favorites, and also Bailey Sarian. They have so many good things, and they tell the story so well. I love it. Okay, so I wanted to quickly show you a couple things I got from Amazon and TJ Maxx. So first from Amazon, I got this electric nail drill kit, and this is super cool because it's like an electric, basically like an electric nail file. So it comes with the charger, and then it has the actual drill piece, and then a bunch of little pieces you can use. So I got this because I really want to start doing my nails at home more often, and with that I'll be able to really like file into like my cuticles and shape my nail how I'd like without having to use a file forever. Then I got a pair of these yoga pants. So these are super nice. They're really stretchy, and I got them in the size small, and this is like the carbon gray color. But I really like how the waistband is just the material, and it doesn't have like a super tight elastic band around it, so it'll be really comfy around the waist. Then I got this little herb tool. So you basically can put like the cilantro in the little hole and then just pull it right out, and then the stems will be gone. So this will be cool to use. You can use that for cilantro, any herbs, my kale, you name it. Then I got like this nice little nail kit. So it comes in this little package. Like I really want to get into just doing my nails on my own, and it comes with everything. It has nail files, clippers, all of that. Pretty cool. It even comes with a cuticle trimmer, little scissors. Wow, there's so much stuff in here. Can't wait to use this. Then I got these tall fake leaves that I want to put in like a vase somewhere in the house. So it's just a nice piece of green decor to have. But it comes with 4 pieces. I don't know how tall they are, but they're pretty tall. So I'll probably set that up later today. Okay, so from TJ Maxx, I just got a couple things, some like fall decor, but only a couple pieces from my order shipped. I have no idea where the rest of it is. It's already been like 15 days since I made this order, and only part of it has shipped, and I haven't even received an email for the rest of the stuff. So hopefully it'll show up soon. So I got this cute pumpkin, and it's like really soft, almost like a pillow material. But I got a couple pumpkins because I feel like it's appropriate to have pumpkin decor from September till Thanksgiving. So I'm gonna set these up today since Halloween's almost over, but Thanksgiving is coming. So I think it's still appropriate to have them out. I got another pumpkin, but look how cute it is. It's like a velvet design. So I'm gonna put that out today too. Look how cute they are. Then I got these cute hand towels from the brand Rae Dunn. So they're just plain black hand towels and they say wash on them. So I'm gonna put that in my main bathroom. Then I got this table runner. I'm gonna put this out too. It's like nice fall colors, but it has leaves on them. It's so pretty. But yeah, that's all I got, just a couple things. So I'm gonna go ahead and disperse them throughout my house. Okay, so as you guys can see, I really love plants. So I just put those fake leaves I had in this big vase and just kind of centered it in this area. I don't know if I'm gonna keep these two right here. I kind of just want it really simple. And then I put the table runner right here. I just put that pumpkin in the center because it's the only one that kind of matched it the best. But I had another one coming in the mail and it's still not here, so I'm just gonna leave that there for now. And then I put the other pumpkin right here. I didn't really have another spot to put it, so I think I'm just gonna leave it here for now. But I think it looks cute. Yeah, I think it looks fine right there. Okay, so it's now dinner time and it's definitely a lazy dinner kind of night. So I'm gonna make this cauliflower crust pizza. Then I also want to bake these vegan cookies. I've never tried this pizza before, so hopefully it's good, but bake the oven at 425. And this pizza is just plain cheese, so I think I'm gonna add some stuff to it. Does anyone else do that? Like, the only option at the store was cheese, so I obviously bought the cheese, but I think I'm gonna add some peppers and onions or something to it. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna chop up some onion and throw that on. And then some green pepper too. Might as well to get more veggies in, right? Okay, so this is the pizza. I put some onions on it and green pepper. I love onions, so I went ahead and just added red onion too. Gives it more color. So I'm just gonna wait for the oven to preheat. And I'm gonna pop that in. And after that's done cooking, I'm going to put these cookies in. Then I just have to preheat it to 350 and it bakes for about 20 minutes. I'm really excited to try these. Definitely have a sweet tooth tonight. So I'm about to get the cookies ready too. So I've already oiled the pan. And these are the cookies. So I'm just gonna place them on the pan. Probably give them a good distance from each other. Okay, so that will be ready for baking once that's done. Time to pop the pizza in the oven. It says just put it directly on the rack. That's what I'm gonna do. Then I'm supposed to leave it in for 11 to 14 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 12 minutes.
12 minutes, starting now.
Okay, so while that's baking, I wanted to quickly talk about a couple products that I've been really enjoying this month. Okay, so first, this bedhead crimper has been so amazing. I've been using this so much, but I recently just did a video of me using it, and this is what it looks like when you use it. But I love the way it looks. It just gives you like that natural braided curl look. So I've been using this almost all of October. Next, I've been loving this Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore shampoo. Now I've only used this like 5 times, but I feel like that's enough for me to know that I actually really love this product. So it doesn't have much of a scent to it, but that's okay. The thing that I love the most about this is how much it lathers up when I use it. So other shampoos, it takes like quite a bit of like lathering, but this, I'll apply it and it just lathers up so good. And I feel like it really deeply cleanses my scalp. So I highly recommend this. And this is from their Jamaican black castor oil line. So it's supposed to help with hair growth, hopefully in the long run. Then I've been really loving this Smashbox primer. This is just the mini one, but it's almost gone and I think I'm gonna purchase the full size. I really love this for the T-zone. So I don't really have oily skin, but I feel like when I wear this under my makeup, it helps control my forehead oil, which I feel like is where I get the most oily. This Laneige lip balm in the scent Peach has been so good to me this month. I literally use this every night and I'm already running low. But this has been my favorite lip balm in October and I love it so much. It's not sticky and I'll like put it on before I go to bed and I'll wake up and I'll still have a little bit of it on my lips and my lips just feel so plumped and hydrated. I love this. So I've actually had this product for quite a while, but I've been really into more pink blushes. So I rediscovered this, but this is the Buxom blush in the shade Havana. And this is such a pretty like purpley pink. And I love these Buxom blushes because they actually last really long on the skin. So here is a swatch of it. Just a beautiful pink color. And it also has a little bit of a sheen to it. So I love this blush and I love anything that's kind of glowy. So this item, I actually got it as a gift with purchase at Ulta and it is so good. If you have drier cuticles or just your nail beds need some loving, this is the product that you need. It doesn't even look like I've used it, but it's an oil, so a little bit goes a long way. But this is the Essie Apricot Nail and Cuticle Oil. So I'll use this for my fingernails and then I'll apply this on my toes as well. But after I use it, it just makes my nails and toes feel so hydrated, so soft. And it has a super yummy, fruity scent to it. I love this so much. I also highly, highly recommend this product. So the last item I've been loving in the month of October is this Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Coconut. But I'll literally use this with so many different lip colors and it just helps my lipstick last so much longer. But it's almost like my lip color, but a little bit more on the brown side. But I love this lip liner so much. Okay, so my pizza's done. Alexa, off. Smells so good. Okay, I'm gonna change this to 350 for the cookies. Look at how yummy that is. And that's cauliflower crust. I'm sure it'll be delicious. So I always put some kind of pepper on my food. So put some red pepper flakes on here for some spice. I'm literally drooling. I'm so excited to try this. It's pretty good. I wouldn't have guessed that this is cauliflower crust. Okay, so I just pulled the cookies out of the oven and they look so good. I'm supposed to let them sit for a couple minutes, so I'm gonna do that and then I'm going to try them. I can't wait. Okay, so I brought the cookies into bed with me and I'm about to try them. I literally would have no idea that these were vegan. They're chewy, the chocolate's good, highly recommend. So I'm just chilling in bed, watching Devil Wears Prada, one of my favorite movies. So glad it's on tonight. But I think I'm gonna end the vlog off here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, it will help me so much. And I will see you in the next one.